Welcome to the Wealth Legacy Movement, where we empower individuals to create lasting financial prosperity and leave a legacy for future generations. Our channel is dedicated to providing practical tips, insights, and resources on personal finance, wealth building, entrepreneurship, and home ownership. We believe that everyone has the potential to achieve financial independence and make a positive impact on their communities in the process. Join our movement today and start building a wealth legacy that will last for generations to come. Hi friends, welcome back. I'm Sophia, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you one opportunity that you can actually start using to either upskill or gain a new skill whilst you earn an income. All right, so let me just go to the website, and this is some opportunities on Google. So once you go on Google, then you're going to look for apprenticeships, right? And as you can see here, it says join a work and study program at Google, gain real world experience, and get paid in the process. And I was surprised at the amount of money that they are paying for these apprenticeship programs. So it's basically you learning on the job whilst you are learning a new skill, right? And let's just go down and browse on the apprenticeship program. So if you look at this one in France, this one is in France as well. France, if you're in France, let me just click on this and show you what it says. Let me just go on the ones in the US first. And we have in UK, Switzerland, Ireland, Netherlands, India, and like I said, United Kingdom. This is one, data analytics apprenticeship. So let's click on this one, right? And as you can see, it says it starts September 2023, and the qualifications. Now guys, listen to this. The qualifications, all you need is a high school diploma. I'm thinking this should be diploma because you don't get degree from high school, all right? And then GED equivalent or practical experience, right? So even if you had not graduated high school, but you have some practical experience can share on your resume, then you can actually start this apprenticeship program. Not currently enrolled in or completed a bachelor's, master's, or PhD degree program in a data analysis related field. So what this is saying, once you're not in a degree program, whether it's a bachelor's, master's, or PhD program that is related to data analysis, then you are eligible to join this program, right? And what they're saying, it's almost like if you want to start a new career, if you want to pivot from what you're currently doing and to do something new, this is something for you. It says less than 1 year of relevant data analysis experience. All right, so let's expand on it. Let's click to expand. So it says, please complete your application before April 25th, 2023. It says participation in the apprenticeship program requires that you are located in the United States for the duration of the apprenticeship program. To start the application process, you will need an updated CV or resume in English. Click on the apply button on the page to provide the required materials, and they prefer PDF documents, all right? And they're just telling you where you should be, because the truth is I went through all of them, and most of the programs, it's really hybrid. So you go in the office a couple of days, and then you work from home or wherever it is that you want to work from for a couple of the other days, right? Next, we move to preferred qualifications, and it says experience using Google Workspace or a similar suite of productivity tools, right? And this basically is all the different things that we use in Google, whether it's Google Sheets, Google Docs, the Gmail, YouTube, all those things, they form part of Google Workspace, or a similar suite of productivity tools. And these are things, for example, like Microsoft. Microsoft, they have Microsoft Teams, they have Word, they have PowerPoint, they have projects. And those are just some of the productivity tools that they're referring to. Right? So nothing technical. We use them on a daily basis for the most part. Experience thinking critically and excellent problem solving capabilities, ability to work independently or within a team framework, ability to navigate ambiguous tasks, and you can go through all of this. And it says about the job. Basically, it is telling you about the job. And what will happen here, you're going to be, let's look at this. All right, so it says the apprenticeship will begin on September 11, 2023, with a 3-week virtual onboarded experience, followed by an immersive 6-week virtual bootcamp with Google Apprenticeship partner Multiverse, to build a foundational understanding of the profession. And it goes on and on and on and on. And a typical week in the life of a Google apprentice will require 40 structured hours of split between hands-on training and related technical instruction. You'll follow hybrid work week, like I shared earlier, which will involve working approximately 3 days a week in the office and 2 days from home or nearby, wherever you work best, right? And let's look at the salary, right? The US based salary for this full-time position is $40,000 to $53,000, and this is just the bare minimum. This is the basic, because your benefits and all the other things do not come into this, right? And this is a big opportunity, and I'm thinking most persons do not get this amount of money. So if you're looking to pivot and you want to pivot, learning a new skill or upskilling whilst earning, I think this would be a very, very good opportunity. All right. So let's go back and look at another one. If you want to go for the software engineering, like let's look at this one. This is actually a 24 months level 4 software development apprenticeship lasting 24 months in partnership with Makers Academy. Starts with a 3-month boot camp before joining Google Teams, and then 80% of the time is spent learning on the job at Google and 20% in technical instruction. Applications open in autumn for an autumn start the following year. So let's just click on it. Oh, this one is close off. Applications are open. Oh, this is United Kingdom. Let's look at the one in the US. Okay, let's look at this one. Okay, all right. So it's the same, like all the qualifications are the same, despite this is a more technical one. If you think you're able to learn these kind of technical programs, then why not go for it? So let's click on expand to dive deeper in it. And it's the same thing, telling you that it closes April 25th, 2023, and it tells you to apply, using your resume. And it tells you where you have to be: Georgia, Atlanta, Georgia, Austin, Texas, Chicago, New York. But like I said, it's hybrid. So you're going to be in the office 3 days, and in 2 days you work from home or wherever it is that you want to work. Minimum qualification remain the same: high school diploma, or if you don't have a high school diploma and you have practical experience, you're good. If you're enrolled in a master's, bachelor's, or PhD program relative to software engineering, you cannot go on this program, because it's almost like you're learning a new skill, right? You're learning this new technical skill to pivot into a new role, into a new industry, right? And then preferred qualifications, same thing like I read to you earlier. Let's look at the salary. As you can see, it's the same thing. All of them start the same week, and this is a 6-week virtual boot camp, and then it goes on and on. But just look at the salary, guys. Look at this. How many of you are making 53,500 to 71,000 per year? That's like 12 5 12 6 is 72. That's almost 6,000 per year if you were to look on the the 71,000. 12 6 is $72,000, right? So it's not bad, and it gives you the responsibility. And if you're getting value, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and help us to grow our channel. You see, support your team in the development of software based on agreed projects and platform. Learn and follow coding standards. So it's just, they're gonna teach you, and then you literally implement what they've taught you on the job. So this is a good program, right? So go ahead and apply. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description so you can actually apply for it. Okay, and there are several other programs if you're interested in human resources. This one is actually 12 months program instead of 20 months like this one. UX design, if you want to make websites look beautiful, then this is for you. But just go ahead, go through them, and pick the one that is you're most passionate about or will pay you the most money. That's it. You're learning a new skill, getting paid. And this is what is so important to listen what this says. Apprentices receive a nationally recognized credential from the U.S. Department of Labor, right? You need nothing more than this, because wherever it is that you go with a certification like this, you're going to get good jobs, right? So again, go through wherever it is that you are, pick the one that is best suited for you, and go dive in. Go learn a new skill. Go learn something that will pay you more than what you're getting, because this is how you start building your wealth legacy, by increasing your income or reducing your expenses, so you'd have money to invest or do the things that you want to do, right? I hope you've gotten some value in this. Make sure that you like this video, share it with somebody you think this might benefit, and subscribe to our channel, because that's how the algorithm works here. You have to engage with us, like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for YouTube to push our videos out to more people. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon. More blessing.